New developments today in the state's case against the Natural Bridge Zoo. In December, a district court judge ruled that the state should take custody of dozens of animals prosecutors said were abused or neglected. But this morning, the two sides met in circuit court, and the Rockbridge Report's Margaret Beimdeck was there. In a hearing today, Rockbridge County Circuit Court Judge Christopher Russell scheduled a pretrial hearing in the Natural Bridge Zoo case for February 14th. Lawyers for the state are appealing a district court decision that led to some animals being removed from the zoo, but they want the judge to allow the state to take custody of the rest of them. Zoo owners Debbie and Carl Morgensen want all 100 animals back.
Hearing in the appeals process of the Natural Bridge Zoo was this morning. Owners Carl and Debbie Mogensen filed an appeal after Judge Gregory Mooney ruled earlier this month that many zoo animals had been cruelly treated and had inadequate care. On December 6th, the Virginia State Police and the Attorney General's Animal Law Unit executed a search of Natural Bridge Zoo. State police and veterinarians noticed that the tufted capuchin monkeys had untreated hair loss and open sores on their tails and legs. The tortoise enclosures were smeared and caked with feces from the animals and from birds in a cage above. An ibis had unaddressed beak defects and was half the average weight for the species. All the giraffes had overgrown hoofs. The state seized 96 animals and 4 giraffes. They were spread to shelters throughout Virginia. On January 19th, the court ruled that the confiscated animals had been mistreated. The state took custody of 61 of the seized animals. The state has appealed Judge Mooney's ruling that there was not enough evidence to support the allegations of cruelty regarding 39 animals. Those animals have not been returned to the Mogensens and still remain in shelters throughout Virginia. The giraffes are in the state's custody, but have been returned to the zoo because they could not be transported. The Mogensens filed a federal case against the state in December, but they chose to drop it after the state's decision.